Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take Moringa powder with milk. Moringa is packed with essential nutrients, and combining it with milk creates a delicious and beneficial drink. This simple method helps you easily incorporate this superfood into your daily routine. You'll learn the best ways to prepare it, ensuring you get the most out of its amazing properties. Let's dive into making your nutritious Moringa milk. Preparing your Moringa milk is incredibly easy. Begin by measuring out 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of high-quality Moringa powder. Next, gently warm about 1 cup of your preferred milk, whether it's dairy or a plant-based alternative. Once the milk is warm, slowly add the Moringa powder, whisking continuously until it's fully dissolved and smooth. This prevents clumps and ensures a pleasant texture. To make your Moringa milk even more enjoyable, consider adding natural sweeteners like a small amount of honey or maple syrup. Spices such as cinnamon or cardamom can also elevate the flavor profile beautifully. For a heartier option, blend your Moringa milk with a banana to create a delicious and nutritious smoothie. Experiment with these additions to find your perfect combination. Always remember to consult with a healthcare professional before introducing any new supplement, including Moringa powder, into your diet. Store your Moringa powder in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency and freshness. And speaking of freshness, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals. Enjoy your Moringa milk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.